Good day, YouTubers. Today I want to try a little experiment, see if I can clean the windshield off of my Harley Davidson using WD40 like they do with headlights. This is basically the same plastic. First thing I need to do is I'm going to take off all the mounting hardware so I can get a real nice cleaning job. Stand by. All right, so since this is an experiment, I'm going to try this down near the bottom. I'll do both sides to see how it turns out. Clean something. It seems to be working, seems to be an improvement. We'll hold this up to the light. Well, I don't think it made any difference whatsoever. Go ahead and shut it off. Okay, so after a little more work, I've polished and or cleaned everything from the chrome down. If I look at that Pioneer over there through the bottom versus looking through it through the top, I can see a definite difference. We'll continue to clean and mount it back on the motorcycle. All right, so I kept working on it, tried it like 3 or 4 times, and actually got it to where it's pretty good. It wouldn't have done that great a job if it had been really, really bad when I started. But the finished product, I believe, is usable. Hopefully this helps you while you're making a decision as to how to clean up your motorcycle windshield. And as always, remember to like and subscribe.